Hi everyone, my name is Janael and I graduated from St Hilda Secondary 6 years ago. I am currently studying in the University of Queensland, that is in Australia, and I'm doing a Bachelor's of Physiotherapy. I am under the MOHH scholarship, so I'll be working with Sengkang General Hospital next year when I graduate. My time in St Hilda's was really cool, really fun. I met a lot of good friends, good teachers, and I really learned a lot of things. I got an L1R5 of 10 and I managed to go to Meridian Junior College. However, it wasn't always smooth sailing. In junior college, I really didn't do well. I was struggling so much with my work. I was always busy with my 2 CCAs that I had, and yeah, it was really a very stressful time for me, but I pulled through. I reminded myself that the reason why I am studying is because I want to be a better person, and it is truly for my future when I apply for a job. I struggled with biology really a lot, but the funny thing is that now I'm doing physiotherapy, which requires a lot of biology. So I want to encourage you guys to not give up your passions, and you never know what life will bring you. Take this time to learn more about yourself. Now, if you're still deciding what subjects to choose, I encourage you to speak to your teachers, speak to your friends to find out, even speak to your family members. These choices will really path your way, and I really hope that you'll be able to make a good decision. For those struggling, I want to tell you to push on, 加油, don't give up, because you never know when a click will just happen in your brain and you'll be able to pull through. There are so many people around you to help you, your friends, your family, your teachers especially. They are always there for you to ask. So I have 3 tips for you on how to study. So the first thing is to understand what you study. Ask your teachers to explain it to you, ask your friends, have a discussion with them, and even watch YouTube videos, the educational ones. That really helps me. Like, for example, if you don't know how the body works, it's really easy to type it into Google and to find out. Second thing, memorizing. I know a lot of people hate memorizing, but you have to memorize all the facts. So find out what is the best method for you to understand and to memorize. So for me, it was writing all my notes out. I know for some people it's to walk around the house to recite it to themselves, or even recite it to a wall. So yeah, just find out what works best for you. And the last one is to teach others. I know it's weird, but teaching really helps you learn, because you have to know exactly what this topic means and how to simplify it for your friends to understand. So yeah, I just want to tell all of you that these 2 years to prepare for your O-levels is really important, because it really will path your way, and it really depends on your grades, what school you'll go to. Continue to discover more about yourself and find out your passions. I was in netball when I was in St Hilda Secondary, and I really enjoyed my time. I never forgo my passions, so I encourage you to hold on to your passions, to do what you like as you're so young and carefree. Look around you now. These are the friends that will stay with you for life. So that's all from me. So I hope this video was good for you, and yeah, all the best. 加油! Bye!